Here at O'Neill Nissan, we've been Canada's #1 dealer 4 years in a row. And that wouldn't be possible without you.
And now it's our turn to give back.
With every purchase, we'll make a donation to Canadian Red Cross to help fight fire recovery right here at home.
Even better, your impact doubles because the federal government will match it.
And we're doubling down, helping kids get back to school with a book bag filled with supplies with every purchase.
Want to join the cause? Help us fill the back of this Frontier right before school starts. Visit us at 900 Topsail Road today.
It won't be easy,
but we can make a difference.